Hello my dear children, good morning all. Welcome to our social science class. Today we are going to learn a new chapter in geography, and this is your last chapter, and the chapter's name is India's Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. In this chapter we are going to learn more about what's the difference between weather and climate, and what are the 4 seasons in our country, and what do you mean by natural vegetation, and what are the uses of forest, and at last we are going to study about the wildlife. Now coming to our first topic, what's the difference between weather and climate? You all are familiar with the word weather, right? The weather refers to the day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. It includes the changes in the temperature, rainfall, sunshine, etc. You might have said that the day is so cool, isn't it? So it refers to the conditions of that particular day, and that is known as weather. But coming to the climate refers to changes in the atmosphere for a longer duration. In India, the climate is referred to as monsoon time, and the word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mawsim, which means seasons. In India, we have 4 seasons. You might have already studied in your smaller classes. The 4 seasons are winter, summer, rainy season and autumn season. Now, let us study detailedly about these seasons. First one is winter season. From December to February, we experiences winter season. Winter season is also called as cold weather season. The sun rays do not fall directly on this region. As a result, there are low temperature in northern part of our country. Second one is summer season. From March to May, we experiences a summer season. Summer season is also known as hot weather season. And during this period, the sun rays falls directly. As a result, there is a high temperature in our region. Hot and dry wind blows during the daytime are known as Lu. Third one is rainy season. From June to September, we experiences the rainy season. The rainy season is also called as southwest monsoon season. During this time, the wind blows from Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea towards the land. That's why we experiences very cool. And the last one is autumn season. Autumn season is experienced in October and November, and it is also called as retreating monsoon season. During this period, the wind blows back to Bay of Bengal. The region like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh experiences high rainfall during this season. Now, let us study what are the 4 factors that affects the climate. The 4 factors that affects the climate are location, altitude, distance from the sea, and at last relief.